What is an ad blocker? Ads are everywhere on the internet, obstructing our browsing experience, bombarding us with pop-ups, and interrupting our video watching. But fear not, there is a solution: an ad blocker. Why use an ad blocker? An ad blocker is a program that removes ads and malvertisements from websites, giving you a cleaner and less distracting browsing experience. It targets different types of ads such as pop-ups, banner ads, and scrolling ads. By using an ad blocker, you can browse the internet with fewer interruptions. Advantages of using an ad blocker. The main advantage of using an ad blocker is, of course, blocking ads. Ads can disrupt your web experience, making it difficult to find the content you're looking for and hindering smooth scrolling. Installing an ad blocker will eliminate most ads, giving you a seamless browsing experience. Fewer ads also mean faster webpage loading times, benefiting both the website's performance and your browsing speed. Ad blockers also protect your privacy by preventing ad tracking, ensuring your information stays secure. Furthermore, ad blockers help safeguard you from malware disguised as ads, providing you with a safer browsing experience. Disadvantage of using an ad blocker. While it may seem like there are no downsides to blocking ads in your browser, it actually impacts the internet as a whole rather significantly. As obnoxious as advertisements can be, they're a large source of revenue for many websites. A lack of ads means a lack of funding. In turn, this can lead to websites shutting down if they don't have enough money for maintenance. Consider the advantages and disadvantages of using an ad blocker so you can make an informed choice. Visit our website for more information and recommendations on the best ad blockers. What is myip.com?